Hi MIT, I'm Kelly Yang, one of the library assistants on campus, and I'm here to show you how to use Oxford Reference Online. And with that, let's get started. First, we're going to navigate directly to a title in the collection. Today, I want to find the Oxford Classical Dictionary, so I'm going to browse by subject and select Classical Studies. And since there are only 12 results, I'm just going to look through them, but you can also narrow your results through the filters to the left of the screen. So I'm just going to scroll down. And as you can see, there are two editions of the Oxford Classical Dictionary. So you want to be sure to pay attention to the publication date if you want to view the most recent edition. Next, we're going to search across the collection. So I'm going to return to the homepage. And with this search, I'm going to search for Ovid by typing that directly into the search bar up top. And as you can see, there are over 2,000 entries for which Ovid is referenced and 4 book results for Ovid. As with the previous search, you can narrow your results through the filters to the left of the screen. The last thing you should keep in mind is that our license only allows 5 people to be logged in at one time. So if you get an error message when you first get on the page, you should come back and try again at a later time. And that's all I have for you today. I hope this was helpful and happy searching.